The Task Manager in Windows 11 is getting a search box. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Clean Tech, home of daily technology news and reviews, and today we're going to be talking about Windows 11's latest update. Today's video is brought to you by Clean Phone. More on them at the end of the video. Windows 11's Task Manager is getting a search box to help you find misbehaving apps. Apparently, Microsoft is testing a new search and filtering system for the Task Manager in Windows 11. It will let you quick search for the app you want to end or inspect further. Let's jump right in. Microsoft has started testing a new search and filtering system for the Task Manager on Windows 11. It will allow Windows users to easily search for a misbehaving app and end its process, or quickly create a dump file, enable efficiency mode, and more. So basically all the things that you can do inside Task Manager, it just gives you the option to search by typing for a particular program or a process or an ID, process ID, simply with just a name search. Quote, "This is the top feature request from our users to filters / search for processes," explains the Windows Insider team in a blog post. You can filter either using the binary name, process ID, or publisher name. The filter algorithm matches the context keyword with all possible matches and displays them on the current page. And that's really neat. That's a powerful search configuration that they have going on over there. So you don't necessarily have to know how the name of the program pops up inside Task Manager. For example, let's say that you want to close all Adobe applications, and sometimes it's ACC for the Adobe Creative Cloud, and Photoshop will show up as Photoshop. And what this tells me is that because they will have Adobe somewhere in the code somewhere, and you just simply enter that, it should still filter out all the Adobe applications that are running in the background. Just as an example, of course. You'll be able to use the Alt-F keyboard shortcut to jump to the filter box in the Task Manager, and the results will be filtered into single or groups of processes that you can monitor or take action on. So, they're pretty much streamlining the Task Manager overall. And looking at this, I just wonder, why haven't we had this for the last decade? If you think about it, it just seems like a really, really basic and yet so mandatory kind of a feature that I feel like this should have been there since Windows XP. I don't know. Alongside the new search and filter functionality, Microsoft is also adding the ability to pick between light and dark themes in the Task Manager. Themes will also be applied fully throughout Task Manager, with some updates to its UI to fit more easily or closely with Microsoft's overall fluent work. Last but not least, Microsoft is improving the efficiency mode in Task Manager. This mode is used to set a process at a lower priority or improve power efficiency, and it's going to be easier to opt out of the confirmation dialog box soon. All the changes are being tested in the latest Windows 11 beta channel released today, which means they'll likely arrive in the operating system in the coming weeks or months. Windows is busy. Microsoft is busy. These are more like tweaks, if you will. They're not necessarily huge overhauls or major updates or upgrades by any chance. Windows 11 by itself, in my opinion, should have been an incremental update over Windows 10, as opposed to being a full-fledged, full-scale upgrade over Windows 10. I got two computers. I got my laptop and I got my PC, and I've tried both on both operating systems, and I don't know, Windows 10 has been around for long enough for me to cast my vote to it. Maybe Windows 11 changes that down the road, but for me, at least right now, I don't see that happening. But hey, 2025 is until even Windows 10 is supported, so I'm okay. But yeah, search box, very good, very, very good addition. And I'm curious to see if Microsoft will be able to incorporate this feature inside the Windows search option, that you just hit the Windows key and the search option comes up and you type anything, whether it's a file somewhere in your system or if it's let's say something that you want to search online, and Windows lets you do that. I wonder if this is something that will get incorporated into that. But yeah, that's just my thoughts on it. Let me know yours down in the comment section below. Clean Phone is the perfect phone for your kids because it allows you to manage everything on the phone remotely. It has tons of amazing features, such as easily allowing you to pick and choose which apps and games your child can use, provides you access to active phone monitoring including SMS and phone call usage, allows you to control how long and how often your kids can use apps or the internet. You can even check their call and SMS logs including inbound and outbound calls and messages, and is the perfect way to manage their screen time. Check them out in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.